MH-60R Seahawk helicopter is the world's most advanced maritime helicopter. The Indian Ministry of Defense has agreed to buy 24 MH-60R Seahawk helicopter from the United States to enhance the capabilities of Indian Navy. An estimated budget of over $1.8 billion has been allocated for the helicopters, which are produced by Lockheed Martin Sikorsky. Main missions of the MH-60R Seahawk are anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare. This helicopter can detect and track submarines and surface ships and attack with torpedoes and missiles. Secondary missions are combat search and rescue, vertical replenishment, medical evacuation, and insertion and extraction of special forces.